Hey everyone, Bryer here with Key Aviation, and today we've got a quick video on how to do a custom route on your XAG drone. So the situations that you would use this in are if you're trying to spray a drainage ditch or a fence line, or you want to do just one pass through the middle of the field, or I guess there's a number of different reasons to use these, but here's how you do it. So we're going to go into a map that we already have made. Let's find this one here. We'll click on it, click on our field, click on route. We'll make a new route, custom route. And from here, basically everywhere that you put these lines, the drone will fly through. So I'll just do something like this. And that should be, well, after that we'll hit save. You name it something, it automatically just does custom route XYZ. And from there, as soon as you click on your field to start it, that custom route should show up and you can fly on that. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call. Our contact information will be in the description.